In this video, we're gonna create a coupon for our store. So as you can see right here, we can type a coupon code, but we don't have any coupons. Alright, so to add a new coupon, I'm just gonna open this one in a new tab, just because I would have this tab right here. Once I have activated my coupon code, I could use it right here. Alright, let's go to the dashboard, and as you remember, if I would go to WooCommerce, I can select coupons. I could also go right here and select coupons. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Alright, let's click create your first coupon, and right here you have discount type. I usually use percentage discounts, 10% discount, 15% discount, and so on, but you can use fixed cart discounts. So for example, you could type $5, $3. This is the amount you want to use, and of course you can choose fixed product discount for products itself. All right, but like I said, I usually like to use percentage discounts. That's probably what majority of e-commerce stores do anyway. And right here, let's say I'm gonna type 10, so it's gonna be 10% discount. You can check this box to allow free shipping. Again, it's up to you. I usually like to keep everything simple. You can add coupon expiration date right here. Just choose the date, and here I like to do some usage restrictions. All right, so you can choose how much a person has to spend, or if he spends more than the maximum amount that you enter right here, he will not be able to get this discount, and those options are up to you. You can exclude products from the discount. So if you don't want to give this discount for a certain product, you can exclude products right here. You can include particular products. So that means this discount can only be applied to specific products and those specific products only. You can do the same with categories. You can exclude categories. You can make this discount only available for certain categories of your products. So this is where you can do that. Just simply choose what you want to do, if you want to do any of those options, and just type the product or type the category. So this one is up to you. You can even allow email addresses. So for example, if you already have some customers that are shopping on your online store, or you created a unique coupon for particular customer, then you can only allow this coupon for that particular email address. So you will have to enter this email address right here. But I usually like to do this option right here, because sometimes when people find multiple coupons, they try to apply both coupons, and if you do not uncheck this option, those customers will be able to use two coupons when shopping on your online store. So I highly recommend you to use this one. And of course, by enabling this option, you can exclude sale items. So for example, if items are on a sale and your customer adds those products, those items to their shopping cart, and they try to apply a coupon, they will not be able to get a discount if you're gonna check this box. All right, usage limits. Again, you can add usage limits. So you can add limits per coupon. Let's say I'm gonna create this coupon and I'm gonna have just 10 coupons. So I will have to enter this one right here, 10 coupons. You can do limitations to a certain amount of products. So let's say if you're gonna enter here 5 and the person buys 6 products, he will not be able to get a discount. Usage limit per user. So if you're gonna enter here 1, that means this user or any other future user will be able to use this coupon once. It's up to you if you want to do those limitations, but usually what I do is I usually use percentage discount, and I do restrictions that people cannot use multiple coupons at once. And once you have done those things, of course you have to create a coupon. So let's say I'm gonna name this coupon testing. You can also click right here, generate coupon automatically. And here you can add a description for yourself. Maybe you're gonna do special promotions so you wouldn't get lost and you would know for what reason this coupon was created. All right, once you have done this, let's click publish. And our coupon is live. So now we can go back to our cart right here and we can type testing. And let's click apply coupon. As you can see, a discount was applied successfully, and this is the discount, and yeah, as you can see, it's 170 and everything works. So this is how you can add coupons. So now we can close this one, and yeah, this is it for this lesson. Now you know how to create coupons.